Hello everyone, I am Dr. Hema Satish Sharma from Pratap World School, Pathankot. We were discussing the chapter called Nutrition in Animals. Previously, we have discussed the nutrition and its definition. The processes in nutrition, that is, process in digestion, are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. This much we have discussed. Today, we are going to take human digestive system. The human digestive system consists of two things. Human digestive system consists of two things. One is alimentary canal and other is digestive glands. So human digestive system consists of alimentary canal and digestive glands. This is the view of or a diagrammatic representation of human digestive system. Here we can see this is mouth, and here ingestion of food takes place. Now this is esophagus. This is also called food pipe. Food pipe is leading to the part of the alimentary canal which is called stomach, and this stomach is the widest part of the alimentary canal. This stomach is going and merging into small intestine. This small intestine is leading into large intestine, rectum, and then anus. So this is whole alimentary canal. That means food, where the food is moving, the organ system where the food is moving is called alimentary canal. So alimentary canal consists of, first is mouth or buccal cavity, then esophagus or food pipe, stomach, which is the widest part of the alimentary canal, small intestine. Why this is called small intestine? Because the diameter is narrow, and large intestine. Largest intestine is leading to rectum and anus. So this is human digestive system, and we just now studied alimentary canal. Now the other part was digestive glands. So digestive glands in human digestive system are liver. You can see liver over here, and one is pancreas. Liver, pancreas. The third digestive gland is here, located here in buccal cavity, and it is called salivary glands. So what we can say, that human digestive system consists of alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal consists of mouth or buccal cavity, esophagus or food pipe, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. And the digestive glands are liver, pancreas, and salivary glands. Here we can see that various organs in alimentary canal are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. After large intestine, rectum and anus is there. The glands which are associated with human digestive system are salivary glands, which are located in mouth or buccal cavity, liver, which is the largest gland, and it is situated in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. You can see over here in our previous slides, liver is located at the upper side of the upper part of the left side. Then pancreas is located just below the stomach. So this is the alimentary canal, and these are the digestive glands. The ducts of various glands, these open into alimentary canal and pour secretion of their juices into the alimentary canal. So thus we can say, or we derive, that the movement of food during digestion process occurs in alimentary canal only. That is, the food is moving in the alimentary canal only, and digestive glands pour their secretions into the alimentary canal so that food can be digested. Now this is digestion in mouth, and this we will take in third lecture of the series. Thank you so much.